Yes, students, this is our next lecture. So, see, it has arrived, said Adrian. So, Adrian said to Mr. Pucklehammer that Rosie has arrived. Who is Rosie here? Rosie is an elephant here. So, what is she like? Inquired Mr. Pucklehammer with interest. So, Mr. Pucklehammer was very interested. He was very eager to know that what does Rosie like? What does an elephant like? See, Rosie, said Adrian, is an elephant. So Adrian said that her name is Rosie, and it's what? It's an elephant. An elephant, said Mr. Pucklehammer, and whistled. That's a bit of a problem for you. So Mr. Pucklehammer said that Rosie can cause a big problem for you. You could put it that way, said Adrian coldly. So Adrian said that, yes, it's up to you. How will you keep it? An elephant, repeated Mr. Pucklehammer thoughtfully. So Mr. Pucklehammer said that, yes, it's an elephant. Well, that's a bit of a facer. Yes, it can be a slap for you. It can cause a big problem for you. I'm inclined to agree with you, said Adrian. What I'm to do with her I just don't know. But all that do know is the wretched man who has brought her not unnaturally wants to get rid of her. I'm inclined to agree with you. It means that it means that Adrian said that I'm satisfied with you. What I am to do with her, I just don't know. But all I do know is the wretched man who has brought her not unnaturally wants to get rid of her. So it's about an elephant. It's about an elephant who can cause a big problem, and I didn't know it is what? It's unwanted guest. Who is unwanted guest? An elephant is unwanted guest. I didn't know that it will come or not. So here is get rid of. So that Adrian said that I want to get rid of her. Get rid of her means what? Get rid of her means chutkara pana. Adrian wanted to get rid of from an elephant. She wouldn't fit in Mrs. Dress garden. वो जो है Mrs. Dress के garden में जो है fit. She wouldn't fit in Mrs. Dress garden, so I have had to bring her here. So an elephant is not fit for Mrs. Dress garden, so I have brought at your yard. Will you let me keep her in your yard for a bit until I decided what to do? So just Adrian requested to Mr. Pucklehammer that can you give me place for my elephant, for an elephant. After this I will decide where will I keep it. Yes, boy, of course, said Mr. Pucklehammer readily. Plenty of room here. Plenty, that means here sufficient. So yes, of course, said Mr. Pucklehammer readily. Plenty of room here. So Mr. Pucklehammer was agree with the statement of Adrian, and he said that yes, my boy, there is a space for an elephant. There is a sufficient room. Never had an elephant here. Come to think of it, it will make a bit of a change. So if you keep this animal here, then there will be something change, because there was no any elephant ever. Thank God, said Adrian fervently. I am most grateful to you. He went back into the room where the carter appeared to be melting steadily into his handkerchief. Thank God, said Adrian fervently. I am most grateful to you. So Adrian became very happy. And he said that, my friend, I am very grateful to you. Grateful is here what? Abhari. He went back into the road. Where the carter appeared to be melting steadily into his handkerchief. He again went to the road, and where he saw that the carter was facing problem in sunlight. He was weeping his sweat from his handkerchief. वह जो है अपने पसीने को जो है पोंछ रहा था. किससे? handkerchief से. After this, it's all right, said Adrian. She can come in here. The carter threw open the doors of the tray, and Rosie uttered a pleased squeal at the sight of her friends. It's all right, said Adrian. Adrian became very happy and she can come in here. वो यहाँ पे आ सकती है. The Carter threw open the door of the tray. So Carter जो है tray को open करता है. And Rosie uttered a pleased squeal at the sight of her friends. When Rosie saw her friends, she made a sound. She made a sound. Here is the keys, said the Carter, handing them to Adrian, one for each padlock. So just Carter said that here is the key. You can take the key and you can open the lock of the pad. Is she tame? Asked Adrian nervously, realizing that up until that moment he had no experience with elephants. So Adrian asked to Carter, that is she tame? Asked Adrian nervously, realizing that up until that moment he had no experience with elephants. Adrian said that I never had an elephant, so just I'm feeling problem. How will I keep it? How will I serve it? I think so, said the Carter. You will soon find out, though, wouldn't you? So Carter said that very soon you will come to know that what is she? Is she tame or is she wild? Perhaps I ought to get it something to eat, said Adrian, to keep it occupied. What do they eat? What will they eat? Adrian asked to the Carter that what will they eat? Buns, said Mr. Pucklehammer, who was peering at Rosie with interest. So Mr. Pucklehammer said that she likes to eat buns, and Mr. Pucklehammer was seeing the Rosie with a great interest. Do be sensible, said Adrian irritably. Where am I going to find a bun at this time of the day? Where will I get the bun? Why? How will I get the bun? You can see here, this is an elephant, and here is the bun, and this is the Rosie, and here is the Carter. So after this, how about oats? Suggested the Carter. Carter said that what about the oats? No, it's a bun. They eat, said Mr. Pucklehammer. So Mr. Pucklehammer said that they don't eat oats, they eat buns. I do wish you would stop guessing on about buns, said Adrian in expectation. We haven't got any buns.